Chapter 13 Opiates. Origin of opium. Opiates were discovered in the Middle Eastern country millenniums ago, when someone discovered that Papyrus silvarium produced a substance that, when eaten, eased pain and suffering. The opium poppy is an annual plant that grows 3 to 4 feet high with large flowers 4 to 3 inches in diameter. The flowers can be white, pink, red, purple, or violet. Early uses. The early uses of opium was important in Greek medicine. Galen, the last of the Greek physicians, emphasized caution in the use of opium, but felt that it was almost a cure-all. Greek and Roman knowledge of opium use in medicine languished during the Dark Ages, and thus had a little influence on the world's use in opium for the next thousands of years. Recreational uses of opium. In the Arabic world, however, opium was widely used recreationally. Because the Quran forbade the use of alcohol in any other form, opium and hash became the primary social drugs wherever the Islamic culture moved, and it did move. Opioid is a drug derived from opium. Examples are morphine and codeine. Or a synthetic drug with opium-like effects. Examples are codeine, oxycodone. Opium was used in its raw form for centuries, both medicinally and for pleasure. Opium has significant influences on medicine, literature, and world politics throughout the 1800s. Opiate addiction. Opiate addiction has been recognized for a long time, but no concerted effort to control addiction was tried until the patent medicine era in the late 1800s. Combined with opium smoking and the Chinese Americans, led to federal regulations in the early 1900s. The stereotypical opiate user changed from being a middle-aged, middle-class woman using patent medicines by mouth to being a young, lower-class man using heroin by intravenous injection. Effect of opiate usage. Various synthetic opioids are now available along with the natural product from the opium poppy. These drugs all act at opium receptors in the brain. Opioid receptors are normally acted on by naturally occurring opioid-like products of the nervous system and exocrine glands, and endorphins and epinephrines. The opiate overdose trial consists of coma, depressed respiration, and pinpoint pupils. Death occurred because breathing ceases.